Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw the BMW 7 Series. First, begin by lightly sketching the car's overall proportions. Imagine a long, sleek sedan, roughly 5 meters in length. Mark out the wheel arches, ensuring they are evenly spaced and about 1/3 of the car's height. Then, gently outline the main body shape, focusing on the elegant roofline and the distinctive long hood. This initial framework is crucial for a balanced and realistic drawing. Next, let's focus on the iconic front fascia. The BMW 7 Series is instantly recognizable by its large, prominent kidney grille. Sketch this central feature first, making it bold and upright. Flanking the grille, draw the sleek, narrow headlights, often featuring laser light technology. Below, add the lower air intakes and subtle fog light details. Pay close attention to symmetry. These elements define the car's powerful and sophisticated presence. Now, let's bring out the car's dynamic profile. Sketch the strong character line that flows from the front fender, through the door handles, and into the rear. This line emphasizes the car's length and elegance. Carefully draw the window frames and the distinctive Hofmeister kink at the rear pillar. Add details like the side mirrors and door handles. Finally, refine the wheel arches and give the tires some depth with subtle tread patterns. For the final touches, let's tackle the rear design. The 7 Series features sleek horizontal taillights, often connected by a chrome strip across the trunk lid. Sketch these, ensuring they complement the car's width. Add the rear bumper and the integrated exhaust outlets, which are typically rectangular or trapezoidal. Place the BMW emblem and any other badging. Finally, go over all your lines, erase any stray marks, and add subtle shading to give your drawing depth and a polished, realistic finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.